Hi, my name is JMO from a company called Xcase. You can find us at www.xcase.co.uk. We're a supplier of computer chassis, server chassis, and we build up server systems. The product I want to look at today is one of our Pro chassis range. It's the 2U 8 drive version. This is Revesion B, the latest version, which has some changes, so best to do a new video. So let's just go over the standard stuff. It's a 2U, as said, with 8 Hotswap caddies. Caddies will take both 2.5-inch drives, like SSDs, and 3.5-inch drives. No restriction on the size. It will take a slim optical drive, and you've got a couple of USB points, power switch, reset, LAN light, hard drive light, power light, etc. Underneath this top cover here, which can be removed, you can fit an internal 2.5-inch drive, or we do a little bracket that can fit here, which will take 2 internal 2.5-inch drives. It comes with 3 80mm server grade fans. So these are a lot wider than your standard ones and push a lot of airflow through, which would be really noisy. However, we connect these fans through the power here into there. So they're obviously a hot swap, which then connects to the back plane, which then connects via this cable to your motherboard. On previous versions there was just one connection, which would be the 4-pin connection, which is fine, but you can only really monitor one fan through like your IPMI, whereas now you can monitor up to 3 fans. So it's still temperature controlled, so if you're using a Supermicro board for instance, you'll be able to set the speed of the fans. Now on the latest version, mostly because a lot of motherboards now have 10 SATA ports, we do 2 versions. Standard version, which has these 2 Mini SAS connections, so that's ideal if you want to go to like an 8-port RAID card. But we now do a 8 SATA port version, so that's just like standard SATA connections, and then you can just use standard SATA cables directly to a motherboard, whereas before you'd have to use a reverse breakout cable. The backplane itself is just powered by 2 Molexes, and the chassis, being 660mm deep, will happily take all motherboards, anything from LLITX, Micro ATX, ATX and extended ATX. Power supply has to be a 2U type, and it will take standard single PSUs or redundant 2U PSUs, and we've got an option for both in different power ratings. 7 low height expansion slots, and we do an optional rail kit that fits on the side here. So really nice quality chassis this. Hopefully you'll be able to see from the video that it's not cheap. And we've managed, because we're buying more quantity now, to reduce the prices as well. So there you have it, the X-Case RM at the 208 Pro Revision B, now available in both SATA and Mini SAS versions. Thanks for listening.